Filtration is an essential process for maintaining clean and safe water in pools. The three main types of filters are sand, element, and earth. Each type of filter has unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. We'll help you understand each type in terms of their efficiency, maintenance, and cost. Let's start with sand filters. These filters use sand as the filtering medium to trap dirt, debris, and other impurities from the water. They work by passing water through the bed of sand, which acts as a natural filter, trapping dirt and debris as the water passes through. Sand filters can be cleaned by backwashing, a process that reverses the flow of water through the filter, flushing out the trapped debris. Next, we'll look at element pool filters. Also known as cartridge filters, these filters use a filter element made of pleated polyester material to trap dirt and debris from the water. They are the most popular and commonly used type of pool filters because they have a simple design and are easy to operate. These filters offer superior filtration compared to sand filters, removing particles as small as 10 microns depending on the materials. Element filters require less frequent cleaning than sand filters, and when cleaning is necessary, it is a simple process of removing the filter element and hosing it down. You can also deep clean cartridges using chemical sprays such as Water Trend's Filter Wash to release stubborn grime. Finally, let's look at earth pool filters. These are also known as diatomaceous earth filters because they use a powder made from the fossilized remains of tiny marine organisms called diatoms. This powder is spread over a grid inside the filter tank, creating a layer of filtering media that traps dirt and debris as the water passes through. Earth filters offer the most efficient filtration of the three types of filters because they can remove particles as small as 5 microns. These filters require periodic cleaning by removing the filter grids and hosing them down with a high-pressure hose. When it comes to efficiency, earth pool filters are the most effective at removing small particles from the water. Element filters are also highly efficient, while sand filters are the least efficient of the three types. However, all three types of filters can produce clean, sparkling water if maintained properly. Maintenance is an important consideration when choosing a pool filter. Sand filters are the easiest to maintain, requiring only occasional backwashing to remove trapped debris. Element filters require less frequent cleaning than sand filters, but when cleaning is necessary, it requires removing the filter element and hosing it down. Earth filters require periodic cleaning, but this process can be more time-consuming and messy as the diatomaceous earth powder must be handled carefully. In terms of water circulation and pump compatibility, all three types of filters work well with most pool pumps, although the size of the pump needed may vary depending on the size of the pool and the flow rate of the filter. Proper water circulation is essential for efficient filtration, so it is important to choose a filter that is properly sized for the pool. If you have any questions about filter types and which would be the right fit for your pool, feel free to reach out to your local Great Escape experts. We're always happy to help.